What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the multiple browser profiles in Firefox. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can direct your cursor into this Start or Windows and give it a right click and click Run. And you can start to put the, let's say the keyword like this, firefox.exe, and give it a space, stripe and P. And after that you can continue to click OK. And after that, this will direct you into this section, which is the Choose User Profile. In this section, you can start to create the profile over here. For example, this one. As you can see, you can start to direct this or move it by hold it. And you'll see the profile I have now. It's about the default release and also default, and also the working space. And for example, I want to create the profile for the entertainment, so you can continue to click this create profile, and it will direct you into this section and click next. And for example, I will choose the name of the profile, gonna be entertainment, like this. And after that, you can choose the folder location. For example, I will make it to be entertainment. And after that, select this folder and select folder. And after that, you can click finish. And this profile of the entertainment gonna be ready to use, or it will only use for the entertainment purposes. So the purpose to create this profile, it is to not mix any thing or the purposes or the thing that you would like to use in this Firefox, guys, or just to make it organized, not being mixed one another. So there is the working space, the entertainment, or maybe for the profile to do the, let's say, the surfing into your social media. For example, this is the entertainment, and click this Start Firefox. And after that, this, I will guess this is the window of the Firefox for the entertainment purposes, gonna be ready to use, guys. And whenever you already go to this run, Firefox exe, it will usually always ask you first when you open this shortcut of this Firefox. It will always ask you or confirm you to open this Firefox which profile that you would like to start off. For example, I will start it from this default release, then it will direct me into this default release, guys. And if I would like to open this Firefox just for the working purposes, so I just need to click this working space and it will be started and direct me into this section, and it will be ready to use, guys. So if you would like to make your Firefox browser more organized, so you can use this option or this tutorial to make it more tidier or make it organized well. So the maybe the history or the file that you put online, it will not gonna mix one another into the entertainment or working space or the social media stuff. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.